Now, look at the third passage. Because of the zeal, diligence, loyalty, and persistence that he displayed in his work, the mason was in a great demand and fetched good business to his contractor. Subsequently, the contractor recompensed the mason handsomely with a very good salary. He could meet the needs of his family sufficiently without any scarcity. Scarcity. Now, because of the zeal. Now look at the word first. The first is zeal. Now zeal means a great enthusiasm and energy in one's effort. Means उत्साह, उमेदनं, खूप उमेदनं, उत्साहानं काम करणे. Second is diligence. That also word given in the scaffolding. Diligence means constant careful efforts. Effort म्हणजे प्रयत्न, परिश्रम, मेहनत करणे, खूप कष्ट करणे. Then the loyalty, I think they didn't give the meaning, but we will learn that. Loyalty means निष्ठा, विश्वासूपणे काम करणे. And the persistence also given in the scaffolding. Persistence means continuous efforts, that is chikati. Okay, now he displayed that all in his work. He displayed what the first is zeal, then diligence, loyalty and persistence. हे तो आपल्या कामामध्ये दाखवतो. The mason displayed zeal, diligence, loyalty and persistence in his work, and because of that mason was in a great demand, and because of that he fetched a good business to the contractor. Fetch means go and bring, जाऊन आणणे. Here जाऊन आणण्यापेक्षा पण म्हणू प्राप्त करणे. And because of he was loyal, zeal, diligence, persistence in his work, he is in a great demand. त्याला खूप मागणी आहे गवंडीला. And because of that he fetched good business to his contractor. आणि त्याच्यामुळं खूप बिझनेस, अनेक घर त्याला बांधायला मिळत आहेत कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरला. कुणामुळं? बिकॉज ऑफ द मेसन. And so subsequently means afterwards म्हणजे त्यानंतर काय करतो? द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ऑल्सो रिकम्पन्स्ड. They gave the meaning of recompensed in the scaffolding. Recompensed means money given for work done, that is प्रतिफळ, सेवा किंवा काम केलेला परतफेड करणे, in a salary. That he also did that with handsomely means सडळ हाताने उदारपणे तो काय करतो? त्याला पगार देतो. प्रतिफळ म्हणून जेवढं होईल तेवढं त्याला तो पगार देण्याचं काम करत असतो. बिकॉज he do his work with a full dedication. Okay, and because of that he can complete the needs of family sufficiently without any scarcity means कुठलीही त्याला अडचण येत नाही, टंचाई येत नाही किंवा तुटवडा पडत नाही. अशा पद्धतीने तो आपल्या फॅमिलीची ज्या ज्या गरज आहेत पूर्ण करू शकतो मेसन. Okay, now once again he displayed zeal, diligence, loyalty and persistence in his work, and because of that he was in a demand, and because of that he bring business to the contractor, and afterward that the contractor also recompensed him with a good salary, and with the help of that salary the mason can complete the family's need without any scarcity. Okay, now look at the next passage. The mason thus continued working with great devotion for many years till he became a grandfather. Then he decided that it was time to retire and spend time playing with his grandchildren. Being a firm minded person, he informed his contractor of his decision to retire from house building. The contractor was very disheartened to lose such an excellent workman and urged the mason to continue his job. But to no avail. The mason had made up his mind and refused to carry on. Now, the mason, he was working continuously with a great devotion for many years, maybe the 20 years, 30 years. He did his work with a devotion till he became a grandfather. Now, when he became a grandfather, then he decided what he was decided, that it was the perfect time to take a retirement, and then he decided to take a retirement and spend time, a valuable time, a quality time with the grandchildren. And so he became a firm-minded person. Firm-minded, निश्चय मनाने. What he decided? To inform the contractor of his decision. What is his decision? To take a retirement from his work. Okay. So with a firm-minded, निश्चय मनाने, he informed the contractor of his decision to retire from the house builder. Now when he informed that, in that time the contractor was disheartened. Now they gave the meaning of disheartened here. The disheartened means what? Felt disappointed. निराश होने, नाउम्मीद होने. Obviously because he was a good worker, a dedicated worker who did his work with a full heartedly, and because of that the contractor was disheartened to lose an excellent workman, and so he urged means requested him what? To continue his job. But what happened? To no avail. That word also given in the scaffolding. To no avail means of no use, काही उपयोग झाला नाही. He tried his best that to tell him that to continue his job, but to no avail. Why? Because the mason had made up his mind. Now to make up one's mind, it is a phrase. To make up one's mind means मनाचा निश्चय करणे. He made up his mind, and because of that he refused to carry on, and because of that he refused means नकार दिला. कशासाठी? पुढं काम करण्यास. बिकॉज ही वॉज फर्म माइंडेड, ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम हिज वर्क because he want to spend a quality time with the family members, with the grandchildren. And so with a firm minded, he informed to the contractor of his decision. The contractor was disheartened, disappointed, and he tried to urge him, but it is not used because the mason had made up his mind, and he decided to take a retirement from the work. Okay, understood? Now look at the question in the scaffolding. What sudden decision did the mason take? Now which decision he take suddenly? That when he became a grandfather, then he decided that it was time to retire and spend time playing with his grandchildren. Now you have to write that in your own words. Okay, now look at the next one. Finally, the contractor convinced the mason to build one last house on a beautiful and convenient site as a special favor. The mason agreed to do so with a great reluctance, not too happily either. Now फायनली शेवटी द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कन्व्हिन्स्ड मीन्स त्याला खात्री पटवून दिलं की बिल्ड ओनली वन लास्ट हाऊस. दॅट हाऊस ही शुड बिल्ड वेअर ऑन अ ब्युटिफुल साईट अँड ऑल्सो ऑन अ कन्व्हिनियंट साईट. ब्युटिफुल सुंदर असं साईट होतं, कन्व्हिनियंट सोयीस्कर मीन्स द हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल, एव्हरीथिंग इज नियर टू दॅट साईट. ओके, दॅट इज कन्व्हिनियंट साईट. ॲज अ स्पेशल फेवर म्हणून एक शेवटचं घर बांधण्यासाठी त्याला विनंती केलं. द मेसन ॲग्रीड बिकॉज द मेसन did work for the contractor minimum 30 years, so he agreed to build the last house, but with a great reluctance. Now look at the reluctance. They gave the meaning in reluctance also. Reluctance means what? Unwillingness, without interest. That is ना खुशीने, अनिच्छेनं he ready, and he is also not happy either. Okay, now